Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a friend with a QR code on your PlayStation 5. So maybe you have a mutual friend and you want them to just add that person as a friend. Well, it's easy to do now. Let's just press PlayStation button, go on down to Game Base, and then go to our friends list here. So find a friend you want to go ahead and send over an invite for. So like this person, they've been offline for like a year. And then we can go to the three little dots right here. And we go to share profile now. And if we go on down here, we can send it as a message. Or you can scan it right here. And the QR code will pop open. But then we can send it on over to someone in a little message group. So we can just send it to this person right here. And that QR code is going to be sent to them in a message. So maybe the person has the PlayStation app or something like that. Or maybe you want to share it on like Facebook or something. You just need that QR code. Share the image. You can always take a picture too. So if I press the PlayStation button, let's go back there, take a picture of it, and then just send it on over to someone. Or what you can do is take a screenshot. So let's go on down to one of these people. This person hasn't played for a really, really long time. Go to share profile. And then we can see it right here. Press the share button. A screenshot was taken. Then we can go on over here and view it. See, we can see it. Then we can go to share. And then we got all these different options in here as well. So pretty much the same options that we had before. But you can just copy this on over to your phone now. Because if you have the PlayStation app, it's going to go ahead and download the images to your gallery on your phone. And then you can send it over to Instagram, Facebook, or Discord, or whatever you want from there. Very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.